Bling! Huh?
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where every single day I show you how to draw something. And today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Gadget from Chippendale Rescue Rangers. So before we get started with our drawing, please feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw, okay? Alrighty, so I'm going to start drawing Gadget with the nose. So I'm going to do a little upside down triangle like that. And then I'm going to do a little line right here. And now I'm going to work on one of the eyes. So I'm going to come on up and down and do the bottom. And then I'm going to do a curved line. And another one, but smaller. And now I'm going to color in that smaller one. I'm going to color that one in all dark. Okay, so now up top, I'm going to do a little line like that. And now I'm going to give a few little eyelashes. I said little eyelashes, but they're pretty long. All right, and now I'm gonna do the other eye. So we're gonna start with a little line like that there on the cheek. And then we can come on up and we're gonna try to make it the same height as the other one. But if it's not quite the same height, if maybe it's a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, that's okay. All right, so I'm gonna do the same on the inside as I did on the other eye. So we're two little curved lines, and then the smallest one is all dark inside. Alrighty, and now I'm gonna come on up a little bit, like that, and now do some eyelashes. Alright, so we got 3, I think that's pretty good. Now I'm going to do a nice big smile. Kind of got like almost like a V, a very soft V shape. And we can do a little curved line up top there and on the other side too, like that. And let's see, let's start with some hair. So we're going to come on down, and she's got like a big chunk in the middle here. And come on up a bit. And right here, let's start working on the face shape. So we're coming down, 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 like that. And we can give a little bit of a cheek here. And come on down. And right here, we can come on down. Keep on working on that hair and bring it further down a bit, and then we can finish up the bottom of the face right here. All right, and over here let's add some more hair and do a piece like that and bring it on in and add a few little pointy parts here. And let's see, I'm gonna come on over, bring a line down this way. And I'm gonna give her one of her big ears right here. So I'm gonna do a shape like that, and then one like that. And I'm gonna do a few little kind of lines inside it. And right here we can do the other ear. So it's a silly little shape. And a few little flicks inside. And now I'm going to do an oval, and then a small oval inside that. And then I'm going to come on down perfect. And we can kind of do a little bottom line there and a line right here. So that's one of the binocular microscope kind of things she's got on top of her head. And put a line right here and right here, here. And then I'm going to bring the hair down here. All right, so now let's do a curved line like that and bring it on down a little bit. And I'm going to put a pointy spot right here and then slant downward. And put a line right here and a line right here for her neck. And we're going to come out with another little pointy spot here. And that's the collar of her shirt. And we're going to do another little pointy one like that. Same on the other side. And I'm going to put a line down there. And let's do a shoulder right here. And right here, we can kind of slant outward a little bit and then inward. And coming down with the shoulder here. She's got her sleeves rolled up. So we can put little sides like that on both sides. And then do it again. And then a line here, kind of a curved line. And then we can draw a line coming down and a line coming down here for the arm. And then we can have her hair flowing down. She's got super duper long hair. And we can continue going inward. And she's got a stripe, like a band, a belt kind of situation right here. Probably a belt. And I'm going to put a line right here and right here. Okay, and we can do a little line right here for the other elbow. And then, of course, the rolled up sleeve. And I'm going to do her arm like this. It's going to be kind of on her hip. And but we don't really see it because it's kind of cut off by the edge of the page here. And let's see, let's do some more hair on this side. I'm going to make it kind of wavy. And coming in there like that. All right, so we are finished our drawing and I'm going to start to add some color. All right, so we are all finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw tomorrow. Have a good day, everybody. Goodbye.